Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate from School 1057 in San Marcos, California, and today we are going to be doing some color exploration. Now in front of me I have a muffin tin, and in each of these openings I put a squirt of food coloring. I then covered that food coloring completely with 1 teaspoon of baking soda in each of the openings as well. Now I have a squirt bottle full of vinegar. And what I'm going to do is squirt it onto the baking soda, and I want us to name the colors that we see together. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Make sure to name the color as soon as you see it. What color do you see? I see blue. Okay, let's move on. We have blue. What color is this going to be, I wonder? Orange. Do you see the orange? Okay, let's try this one. What color is this? Purple, that's right. I see some purple. What about this one? Yellow. Blue again? What about this color? What do you think the last color will be, my friends? Pink. So my friends, it is so fun to see baking soda and vinegar mixed together, but it is even more fun when we get to name all of the colors that we find underneath that baking soda. So this is a really easy experiment that you can do at home, and it lets you practice your colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!